Let's talk about effective cough. An effective cough is necessary to eliminate respiratory obstructions and to clear the airways. So, how will you teach a patient an effective cough? Have the patient in seated position. Forward leaning would be the best position. The neck should be slightly flexed. Place your hands one on thorax region, one on abdominal. Take deep inspiration followed by huff. Make the patient practice the sound K to experience the tightening of vocal cords, closure of glottis, and contraction of abdominals. Demonstrate the patient deep, sharp double cough. Make the patient do deep, relaxed inspiration followed by double cough. Relax, double cough. Never allow the patient to grasp air. This will increase energy expenditure and more fatigue. It will also increase resistance in the airways and leading to bronchospasm. Grasping air will push the mucus or foreign bodies further deeper into the air passages. Avoid forceful coughing if the patient had history of CVA. Instead, make these patients do huff many times.